Financial freedom. Two words that sound amazing but feel completely out of reach for most people. You're drowning in bills, your savings account is laughing at you, and the idea of retiring early seems like a fantasy reserved for tech billionaires and lottery winners. But here's the truth. Financial freedom isn't some mystical concept that requires a finance degree or a six-figure salary. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what financial freedom really means and giving you the step-by-step roadmap to get there, even if you're starting from zero. Let's dive in. What is financial freedom? First, let's kill a dangerous myth. Financial freedom does not mean being filthy rich or never working again. That's financial independence on steroids. Financial freedom simply means having enough income to cover your living expenses without being enslaved to a paycheck. It's waking up and choosing to work because you want to, not because your landlord is texting you about rent. Think of it in levels. Level 1, no debt and an emergency fund. Level 2, passive income covering your basic needs. Level 3, passive income exceeding your desired lifestyle. Level 4, generational wealth. Most people never make it past drowning in debt. But you're going to be different because you're here, learning the game. The beautiful part? You don't need to reach level 4 to feel free. Even level 1 will change your life dramatically. The 4 pillars of financial freedom. Pillar 1, control your cash flow. You cannot build wealth if you're bleeding money. Period. Here's what you do. Track every single dollar for 1 month. Not to judge yourself, but to see where your money actually goes. Most people discover they're spending hundreds on subscriptions they forgot about, or daily coffee runs that cost more than their phone bill. The 50-30-20 rule is your friend. 50% on needs, 30% on wants, 20% on savings and debt. If your numbers don't fit this, something needs to change. Either your income needs to go up, or your expenses need to come down. And please, stop trying to impress people who don't care about you by buying things you don't need with money you don't have. Pillar 2, destroy your debt. Debt is the anchor keeping you from sailing toward freedom. High-interest debt, especially credit cards, is literally stealing your future. Use the avalanche method. List all debts, pay minimums on everything, then attack the highest interest rate debt with everything you've got. Once that's gone, roll that payment into the next highest rate. Some people prefer the snowball method, paying off the smallest balance first for psychological wins. Either way works. Just pick one and stick to it. And here's the hard truth. While you're in debt, you're not investing in fancy stocks or crypto. Get out of the hole first, then build the empire. Pillar 3, build your safety net. An emergency fund is not optional. Life will throw curveballs, your car will break down, your laptop will die, unexpected medical bills will appear. Start with $1,000 as fast as humanly possible. Sell stuff, pick up extra shifts, whatever it takes. This small buffer prevents you from going deeper into debt when emergencies hit. Then build it to 3 to 6 months of expenses. Keep it in a high-yield savings account where it's accessible but not too accessible. This isn't investment money, this is sleep well at night money. Pillar 4, make your money multiply. Now we get to the fun part, investing. This is where you stop trading time for money and start making money while you sleep. Max out your employer's 401k match first, that's literally free money. Then open a Roth IRA and contribute what you can, up to the annual limit. For most beginners, low-cost index funds are your best friend. They're diversified, low-fee, and historically return about 10% annually. No, you don't need to pick individual stocks or day trade. That's gambling, not investing. The magic ingredient? Time and compound interest. Invest $500 monthly at 10% annual return for 30 years, and you'll have over $1 million. That's the power of consistency. The income side of the equation. Here's what nobody wants to hear. Sometimes cutting expenses isn't enough. You need to increase your income. Your main job is your foundation. Negotiate raises, develop valuable skills, become irreplaceable. A 10 to 20% raise does more for your finances than clipping coupons ever will. But don't stop there. The wealthy don't have one income stream, they have multiple side hustles. Freelancing, consulting, online businesses, passive income, rental properties, dividend stocks, digital products, alternative investments, REITs, peer-to-peer lending, royalties. You don't need all of these. but having 2 to 3 income streams makes you nearly recession-proof. When one dips, others keep you afloat. Start with your skills. What can you do that people will pay for? Writing, design, coding, teaching, fixing things? Monetize it. The mindset shift. Financial freedom is 80% psychology, 20% mechanics. First, stop comparing yourself to others. Social media is a highlight reel of debt-financed lifestyles. Your coworker's new car? Probably a 7-year loan. That influencer's vacation? Sponsored or leveraged to the eyeballs. Second, embrace delayed gratification. Every dollar you spend today is a dollar that can't compound tomorrow. That $50 impulse buy could be worth $400 in 30 years if invested. Third, automate everything. Willpower is finite. Systems are forever. Set up automatic transfers to savings and investments the day you get paid. Pay yourself first, always. Fourth, educate yourself constantly. Read books, listen to podcasts, learn from people who've achieved what you want. Financial literacy is the ultimate superpower. And finally, be patient. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Small, consistent actions compound into life-changing results. Your action plan. Let's make this concrete. Here's what you're doing this week. Day 1. Calculate your net worth. Assets minus liabilities. Don't be scared, just know your number. Day 2 to 7. Track every expense. Every single one. Week 2. Create your budget and set up automatic transfers to a high-yield savings account. Week 3. If you have debt, choose your payoff method and make your attack plan. Week 4. Research investment accounts and open a Roth IRA or increase your 401k contribution. Within 3 months, have your $1,000 emergency fund. Within 12 months, be debt-free except for mortgage and consistently investing 15 to 20% of income. Financial freedom isn't a destination, it's a journey. And the best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now, today, this moment. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Small steps forward every single day. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense financial advice. Drop a comment telling me which pillar you're starting with today. Remember, you're not a dummy. You're someone brave enough to learn, change, and build a better future. Now go get your financial freedom.